Welcome to CryptoQ. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this decentralized email platform called Dmail. Let's get down to the video. Over here, as you can see, I'm on the Dmail website. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below, so definitely check it out. It's an intelligent and secure messaging, keeping you informed and connected. Dmail Network is an AI-powered decentralized communication infrastructure built to provide encrypted emails, unified notifications, and targeted marketing across multiple chains and dApps for users, developers, and marketers. If you can check on the top right corner, there's an airdrop over here. So I'm just going to open that, put it on the next tab. There's already been an airdrop that was done. You're in luck because there's another one that is coming up soon. There's season 2 coming, so definitely you should join. And I'm going to be walking you guys through the steps so that you can qualify and earn up some points for the next airdrop. You're going to be needing a wallet like MetaMask. So all you need to do is to go right here, go to launch Dmail. So as you can see, log into Dmail, and these are the options that are available over here. There's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect. I'm going to be using MetaMask, but I also integrated this Rabi wallet. So if you already have MetaMask, it's definitely going to pop up, and you're just going to sign and create, confirm, go to the next step, and let's just launch it. And this is the email that you get after you've connected. Okay, cool. And as you can see over here, I've already been connected, and pretty much these are my addresses and all that type of stuff. So you can send emails throughout this platform, but what we are currently interested in, the airdrop. So you head over to this top right corner over here where the same points, and this is what pops up. So these are the things that you need to do to enable you to earn some points. So as you can see, you need to invite friends to use Dmail. So you get like a referral link. You find mine in the description box below. So definitely use that. You'll be helping me out a lot. And you can also subscribe to at least 5 projects. You can follow Dmail on Twitter. You get 50 points and so on. I'm just going to follow them on Twitter to get these 50 points just to show you guys. Just click follow. Twitter pops up. Let's authorize the app. And as you can see over here, it's saying completed. So I have these 50 points over there. You can send an email or set auto forwarding. Let's just set that. Go next. Finish. You can put an email. So I'm just going to put one of my emails over here. Head over to the email to click the notifications. So this is the verification code. Just copy that. So if you don't find it in the normal email, in the inbox, just check the spam. It's probably there. I'm going to paste that here. Verify. Successful. And then connect Telegram. Let's go start. So now they're saying mail is now connected to your Telegram. Let's go back to the points. As you can see over here, I've got the 100 points. It's completed. So all you're going to do is go step by step, taking all these things to get those points so that you can set yourself up for the next airdrop. But if you're just interested in using the email platform, then you can just use it just like any other email platform. You go to compose, go next, like so. You put the email address over here, just like the same way you use Gmail, and send the email. So if you missed out on the other one, definitely follow through with this one to get that airdrop. And I'm going to be letting you guys know when the airdrop is going to be exactly. Okay, and they've got different plans over here that you can upgrade using your points. So definitely hit that notification bell so that I can notify you when there are any new updates. But follow through with pretty much what I've told you guys in today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Till next time.